In this tutorial, I'll show you how to assist someone you are supporting by impersonating their account. Go over to Support Hub under Dashboard. Now click the name of the person you want to support. We're going to help out John's student, so we'll click on his profile. Okay, in the middle here it'll say Assist User. You want to click that and go over to Assist. Now you can enter a message about what you're planning to do to assist this person, but that's completely optional. So we'll go over to Begin. And now, if you'll give it a second. Okay, so now we're impersonating John, so we can go to his goal guide, My Life, routines, edit them, add missed data points, whatever you need to do. And once you're done, you can go up to the return button on the top, which will be on whatever screen you're on while impersonating someone, so don't worry about losing it. Okay, and now we are Pam again. So that's all you need to know.